Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Tuesday, May the 21st. We've got a lot coming up this week. We have got, of course, the earnings. We've got earnings for NVIDIA, very, very important earnings. We, of course, will be covering that. FFIE earnings, we'll be covering that. As a member of our channel, if there's an earnings that you want me to cover, get up early in the morning, or work late into the evening, let me know. And as a member of the channel, you can super chat me and I will go live and do an earnings for you. That is up to you. Okay, so there you go. We've also got an interview tomorrow, WidePoint. We are interviewing the CEO of WidePoint tomorrow. And that's going to be very, very interesting. A stock that's a rather small company, so it's a sort of stock that we can have influence with over on YouTube. We get ranked #1, and people become aware of it. So that's exciting. So yeah, a lot coming up. Smoky Fat says, "Good morning from the Great Lakes." Wonderful. Are you on the lake today? That sounds wonderful. Really, really nice. Let me read the comments. Good morning from Chris Schultz. Hopefully BDRX can make a recovery. Let's hope so. I'm making money on GWAV today. Again, if you become a member and you want your stock to rank on YouTube, I can make that happen. We rank #1 for the most of our stocks that we cover. All you've got to do is become a member of our channel. It's only a couple of bucks. You can be a member of the extra channel for 99 cents. So you can chat 12 hours a day, get support from everybody, and talk about your stocks and let people know what's going on. You can, I can then come on and make videos on them and cover earnings. And there you go. If you want to do that, become a member of our channel and you can have all those perks and benefits. All right. Hello. Good morning, Mike. Nice seeing you yesterday. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing well today. Tilray and SNDL both up in pre-market. Great stuff. Let's go through all our positions and see where we are. First of all, let's look at the overall portfolio and see where we are. As you see, we're starting green again today, which is nice on my Roth IRA and my main account, and all-time highs was set yesterday, 86,350. Another all-time high yesterday. We're making new highs all the time. I am in with margin at the moment, 18,000. I do get paid today. Yay! It's payday today. We all get paid either weekly, daily, monthly. I get paid monthly. I get paid today. So by the closing bell, I will have a bit more money in my account because I get paid today. And I'll be putting that in my account and taking my margin down. Right, let's turn the studio red. It is red at the moment, only very slightly, 0.05, but red nevertheless. Stacy Bailey, good morning to you. Welcome to the show. I see you've got that mug. That's all. Did I get that picture, Stacy? Did you send that in? I'm going to be adding more pictures to the mug soon. I don't know if I've got that one. Make sure that I have that. I want to add that to the list. Let me give you. Let me give everybody the latest mug pictures. If your picture is not in this little presentation right now, then I don't have it. So, or I may not have it. Okay, so should we do a little slideshow? Let's do a slideshow. Let's play a memory video. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here's our mugs. The Lucas mugs. These are our fans and friends around the world who have Lucas mugs. There you go. And if your mug is not here and you don't have a mug, send it in and I'll be very happy to add it to this. Absolutely awesome. There's Bill. We miss Muzanella. There's Wade. MSK, Stephen Lewandowski. There's Seth Houston. Oh, we miss... there he is. It's going too fast now. I can't keep up with it. There you go. If your mug is not there... Oh, hello, look. There's Bill again. If your mug is not on this list, please make sure you send it in. Absolutely great. There you go. Stacey Bailey not on there. Look, see, so we need to add you. We need to add you to the mugs there. That would be great. Put you in there. So that would be awesome. Right, let's go back and have a quick look. We are red at the moment. Smoky Fats, I'm from Grand Rapids area. Wonderful, wonderful. I love your emoji, your image, by the way. Look at that. The one member on day one. Yes, you were a member on day one of the extra channel. Absolutely awesome. Love it. I'm not sure. I'll post it in Breakfast Bar quick. There you go. I'll grab it when I see it. Nice, Stacey. I'm in Holland. Isn't that weird? There you go. Just down the road. I do horses shows at the Holland Horse Park sometimes. I have 12 mugs. Yes, you do, Bill. You do have 12 mugs. And you can see it here. If we put, I think Bill's on here as well. Look, there you go. Bill's just there. There you go. Just there. Look, Bill has 12 mugs. He had a whole series of them. Anyway, there you go. Now we're coming up to some very special events. We've got earnings for FFIE. We've got earnings for NVIDIA. We've got an interview tomorrow. Oh, you post it on Discord. Great. Well, I want to grab that right now then, before I forget. I want to grab that before I forget. So Breakfast Bar. Let's pop into the Breakfast Bar. We've not been in there for a while. Let's have an update. Any updates in the Breakfast Bar this morning? There's Stacey Bailey's picture. Okay, here it is. Let's put it on the screen. There's Stacey Bailey's on day one mug. So what I want to do is I want to grab that. I will actually come back later today and play those and make sure that everyone has got their mugs in, so we can make sure that everybody has as a mug saved. So I'm going to save that image. Save the image as Stacey, and I'm going to save that there. All right, I've saved the image. Let me just scroll up and see if I've missed any as I'm here. I might as well. Some great pictures here sent in from Stacey with her horses and all the wonderful things that she does. Let me scroll up. Oh dear, someone's got a broken mug. I saw that. Any latest mugs? Stephen Lewandowski's had his haircut. Look at that. In case I missed some recent mugs, I don't think so. Okay, that's looking good. So we're looking like we're up to date. Okay. I think we are good. Right, just want to make sure that we've done all that. Right, if you are in the extra channel today, remember the extra channel is live 12 hours a day, providing help, support, conversation, friendship, you name it. It's only 99 cents. If you can live and breathe, if you have a sip, just a sip of a coffee today, you can afford this. It's 99 cents, the cheapest you can possibly make it on YouTube. And it allows 12 hours a day support, just friends, just family, no bots, no scammers, no one coming in talking nonsense. It's a great place. If you are in the extra channel right now, I see there are 6 people in the extra channel. If you're in the extra channel right now, just tap a like and say hello. Let's hello all. Let's see who's in the extra channel. Some people actually watch the extra channel because it's the same as the main channel, but it's live 12 hours a day, and it's just the back of the show. but it sounds exactly the same, or very, very close. Very, very close. It probably sounds slightly better here, but on your phone, you're not going to tell the difference. It's unmeasurable, but I can always tell. Anyway, good morning, Ed Nevius. Good morning to you. Hi, Ricky. Hi, when will Tilray go to $40? Right, well, now with Tilray, let me bring it up right now. Tilray is all about safe banking. Safe banking is when we get legislation passed, when it gets reclassified from a Schedule 1 to a Schedule 3. Right now it's Schedule 1. It's the same as a high-class drug, a high-risk drug. So that means it doesn't have banking rules. It can't advertise. It's restricted from making all kinds of income and revenues and all the rest of it. Now, we believe that it's going to come before the election this year because it's a vote winner. Every reason to indicate that's going to happen. When that happens, the stock can take off. Now, it won't go to $40 overnight. There's no reason to think that. You can guess and come up with all sorts of numbers. Bitcoin's going to $1 million, right? You can say what you like. However, there's no evidence to support that. But with its dominance in the market, and bearing in mind, SNDL is slightly better. I've done a full analysis comparing the two. If you go on my channel, you'll find the video, Martyn Lucas SNDL, Martyn Lucas Tilray, TLRY. You'll find it. But I do believe that if you look at the balance sheet and the numbers and the dominance, it's a $40 stock. But that's when the stock has matured, full legalization. It's a long way off, but that's where I believe it's going. Anywhere under $2 is a good value for the stock. Morning, Ed, Mike, Godey B, Bill, everyone. Good morning, Seth Houston. Good morning to you, Stacy. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Stacy. Hi, Octavio. Do you smoke, Martin? No, I don't. I don't smoke anything at all. I hardly drink. I have a little beer from time to time. There's 5 events a year when I drink. On the show live on my birthday, the show's birthday, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, and New Year. We do 5 events a year when we let our hair down. All right, which is not much for me. Anyway, I asked you who's in the extra channel, and oh, look at this, Zach Zate. Thank you for Jeff Boots' email. I'm in. How fantastic! Congratulations. Yesterday, Zach, Jeff's gold mine was a bit controversial. We had a couple of people that have been members for a while, for a few months, got really upset with me. A couple of people, actually, and I was very saddened by it because they were family members. And unfortunately, they said, I'm out, I'm done. One Vincent Vosberg, who gave me $20 for a review, said, I'm done, I've had enough. Apparently, I was promoting the stock, which I don't know what that really means because, at the end of the day, I talk about all sorts. I talk about every stock. All I'm doing is trying to help my friends with a deal that I have got, letting you know about a business, letting you know, this is not financial advice. The stock can go to zero, like any stock can go to zero. I'm just telling you about a stock that I've learned about before it goes public. I've learned about, it's not a made up business. It's a real business. It's a private company. It's just not public, but it's going public. I bought shares in it. I did $1,000 convertible note, just like all of you, and I shared it. And some people got very upset saying I'm promoting it. Well, if I talk about any stock, am I not promoting it? So it was a shame to have a couple of people say I'm out, but there you go. That's part of being a live family, answering questions every day. You have these situations. Anyway, but congratulations. Thank you for the email. That was Jeff's personal email. It's now between you and him. I'm in no way involved. I've got no commission or anything like that. But you can now talk to Jeff and do what you like. He's the owner of the company. And You know, it's a good deal. I think it's a good deal. I wouldn't have done it otherwise. I also wouldn't have brought it to you. David Hensley is on the extra channel as well. Thank you, David. I just wanted to see who was there. I knew Zach8 would be there. He watches the extra channel like the main channel now. Anyway, let's read the comments. I bought Tilray last night, I think. You think? You bought it last night. You think? I'd be worried about that if I was you. I'd need to know if I bought it or not. Anything under $2, I think, is a good buy. Yeah. Organic, number one, organic. SNDL is probably the best balance sheet at the moment. Anyway, I bought 1,000 Tilray shares. There you go. Good morning, WKHS or PAGE. I can cover both of those. You need to be a member. Right now, we are getting a lot of questions. I'm going to go members only in a second. It's only a couple of dollars to be a member, but it's so I answer all the questions from the members. It's a members perk. Also, we've got reviews. We can have earnings. We've got the interview tomorrow with the CEO of WidePoint. So if I get too many questions, I am going to have to move to members only in a moment, I think. Otherwise, I can't answer all questions. You still think space going to 100? Yes. We've explained why. We've given you a full chart and explained why. Sensei did a very, very in-depth review for you. If you've not yet seen it, let me give you the video. If I refresh the screen just a moment. Okay, if we scroll down here, I've just put out some very important videos. Manipulation here of Marcus Brownlee, who did the worst review in the world for Fisker cars, and we said it was biased and it was ridiculous, and refused to have the car taken care of before he reviewed it. On purpose. We know he was sponsored by Elon Musk. We know he just does it for views and make more money. Doesn't care about people's businesses, lives, jobs, putting a business, trying to push a company out of business. I think it's terrible. And now Top Gear, a BBC proper car review company, have reviewed it and saying it's probably better than the Tesla. So there you go. And it's one of our ranking videos, as you can see, 22 times our average. As you can see, there it is. Go and check that out. Red flag for Faraday. I say it's going to 0. Roaring Kitty doesn't have an open season this time. Last time he could do what he wanted to do. Thank you, Mike, for doing a good job as always. FFIE, we put the information that it's going to 0. We did a poll on X. That just came out. If you've not yet seen it, go and check it out. These are all the pages on the home channel. So we've got Faraday red flag warning. I told you about it. And we are seeing it go down because the SEC have now put new regulations in place to stop all this pumping and dumping. And remember, I've got a guest in the channel called Ricky. I don't even own the stock. So what you're saying is completely and utterly ridiculous. This is my portfolio. Unlike anybody else on YouTube that I know, and I know a lot of people on YouTube, it's my full-time job. This is my portfolio. I don't short stocks. I don't do options. This is my balance. Started with $5,000. I'm now at $86,000. And if you look down here, I only own the S&P. So what you're saying now about promoting stocks and all the rest of it is ridiculous. No one is more honest. No one is more live. I'm live 12 hours a day. There is my portfolio. 99.98% is the S&P. The other 0.02 is Apple, because when I win some free shares from you guys doing referrals, I just buy whatever's low, and at the moment it was Apple. But I am 100% in the S&P. So I don't promote, pump, dump anything. I'm not sponsored by anyone to say anything. I'm not paid by anyone. I don't pump and dump a stock. I don't own any stock. I only own the S&P 500. So Ricky, you could listen and be part of the family, or you could spread false information. It's not actually true. I aim to be the most honest, trusted source on YouTube and Rumble. So please be aware of that. It's very, very important. Coming back to your questions, Gorilla, you were talking about space. There's our Nikola chart, our Rivian chart. For this week, it was recorded Sunday night for this trading week. Soundhound, Fisker, FFIE, 84 times our trending video. It's our fifth highest video ever of all time. This one, congratulations, Sensei. Great information about the buy zones and the sell zones. Plug, IonQ, and there it is. You want to know why we think Virgin Galactic's going to $100? There it is. There's the information. We share with you the buy zone, the sell zone, the support, the resistance levels. All of it is explained in great detail in this video. And there's Tilray as well. All right. So there's lots of information here on the homepage. We recorded this late Sunday night. I worked this weekend to give everyone the opportunity to know what was going on Monday morning. Okay. All right. I see that Ricky is being timed out here by Mike. He's obviously not wishing to listen. Okay. Mike's doing a great job as always. We've got somebody who just wants to be rude and offensive, wants to burn bridges, doesn't want to make friends, doesn't want to talk to people. I mean, we go live 12 hours a day talking to 61 countries in 14 languages. We grow 1,000 subscribers a week. We're doubling our rate of growth. 98% of our live viewers are members, but of course, that's not worth anything to you. You think it's rubbish, and then fine, that's fine. It doesn't matter, does it? You know, you think it's rubbish. Fair enough. Keeping an eye on BDRX today. BDRX, is that one you're expecting to see move? I tell you what, Ed, can we? Is a little challenge for you, Ed. I've got a little idea, so I'm going to talk to Ed. Ed, I've got an idea for you. Are you listening, mate? All right, let me. Hang on a minute. Let me bring up here. Ed, I've got an idea. Okay, Ed, you are our scalp trading expert. You've got all the knowledge. You pass it on to people. You provide free education, which is great, in our Discord server. And thank you for doing that. Ed, by the way, is paid to learn how to trade, and he provides it free. It's completely free, and it's one of our perks of being a member here on the channel. You don't pay for training courses like other channels. We provide it for free. Thank you, Mike. I'm seeing all your comments. Ed, I've got a little challenge for you. I would like to add a new feature to the show. It's a great way for us to reach a new audience, catch trending stocks, and so on. You are the scalp expert. You are the one that knows what's moving, what's trending, what's got high action. That's what you do every single day. When you come into the show in the morning and you see a stock that you think is about to go and something exciting like you've just mentioned now, BDRX, tell me, just like you've done there. And what I will do is I will make a video on it. I will alert people to the fact that BDRX is a stock here that we're keeping an eye on. That there could be some price action today and some movement on the stock. I'll make it. Now the chances are, if it's a small cap, if you could, if the suggestions you give me are always small caps, that's going to benefit the show most, because that's what most people want to see. The high volatility stocks, the lower stocks, the penny stocks. These are things that people really look for. People aren't looking to see too much what Apple's doing today or Amazon. All right. I think that'd be great. So each morning, come into the show. Give me a stock that you think is about to move. Make it a small cap. Make it a high volatility stock with some excitement that that you think is about to go. I will make a video on it, and the chances are, Ed, it'll blow up because all the stocks that move quickly, trend, do very, very well on our channel. It's how we discovered FFIE. It's how we discovered Fisker. And many other stocks. Virgin Galactic was once back in the day, it's really a big part of our growth. All right, fantastic. Top gainers, low float. That's it. Top gainers, low float, heavy volume. In fact, that's the phrase I want right there. That's the phrase I want right there. Okay, let me do it now. That's the phrase. That's the phrase. I like that. That's what I want. That's what I want. Let me grab that. That's the phrase I want. Top gainers. Okay. Top gainers. So Ed Nevius. I'm going to put that in here. It's maybe a new little feature of our show. Ed Nevius. Top gainers, low float, heavy volume news. I like that. Martin, has there been any communicating with RAP? None whatsoever. And I've messaged them live on the show, and none whatsoever. For those who don't know, I'm in contact with several CEOs of many CEOs, actually. We've got a CEO on the show tomorrow, live on the show. But I messaged them and speak to them. But no comment from RAP. That isn't good news. Of course it's not. No pressure, Ed. Newbie's going to blame you. No one's going. Yeah, absolutely, Ed. Absolutely. It doesn't matter whether you get it right or wrong. We've been here before. We don't want to put stress on Ed. We've done this before. We used to do some trading live on the show with Ed, and it was very stressful. We're not doing that again. We're not doing that again. What we're doing, though, is just bringing stocks to your attention. We're not telling you should buy it or anything else like it. So let's have a look. Where was the stock he just said? What was the one you just said? BDRX. So here we go. Let's see how this works out. All right. And then we might make follows up from it. We might do earnings for it. Okay. BDRX. Okay. So here we go. See how this works. BDRX. Okay. You ready? Let's see how this works. New little feature on the show. We could do this every day. Every day, we could have a different stock from Ed. It's not about trading it. That's up to you. I'm just drawing attention to the stock. That's all we are doing, all right? Okay. So, I've got that. I've got that. This could be a very powerful part of our show, Ed. This could be very nice indeed. All right, okay. So let's do it now. BDRX, 30 minutes in. Okay, so here we go. Let's get this done. We're going to go to members only. Have you gone through NVIDIA yet? Earnings results out tomorrow. Yes, Philip, we are covering earnings. We are going to switch now to members only, making a video so I can answer all the questions. You can become a member. It's only a couple of bucks. It's not about the money. It's just about the quality of the audience. We want the best audience. We don't want any bots and scammers and trolls and people who just want to say stupid stuff, basically. Right, okay. Let's try this. Let's see if we reach a whole new audience. I've got a funny feeling we will. Ed, let's have a little look at it, shall we? Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Biodexa Pharmaceuticals, BDRX. It's a new feature on our show we're trying out for the very first time today. Ed Nevius, our scalp trading expert who provides free training on our Discord server. Links below in the description if you're interested. It's a members, our members, our YouTube members can all access that for free. You don't have to pay for that service. It's a free service on our Discord server. Each morning, Ed's going to give me a stock that's a top gainer, low float, heavy volume news, float rotation. We're looking for stocks that are moving potentially to give you the chance to make some money. This is not financial advice. I don't own the stock. I only own the S&P. I'm just bringing you the stocks that are moving, that we think are top gainers, low float, heavy volume, and float rotation. Biodexa. Now, if this stock becomes popular, we'll cover the earnings, we'll cover the news, and I'm sure we will rank #1 for it on YouTube, as we do for most of the stocks that we cover, and we have a big say and we learn a lot about the stock. This is the chart action this morning. This is what's going on. Let me share with you. You can see the candles there. We had a big sell earlier on. Here we have my analysis from Wall Street using Alpha, saying Wall Street is a strong buy. A strong buy. Quant is the AI trading software, which is a strong sell. Very different perspectives from Wall Street to Quant. You need to be aware of that. Okay, if we now move down to a basic mini review of the stock, BDRX is saying it's overvalued by 15%, but there's no DCF valuation. If we scroll down, and we can see revenue is down 28%. Operating income, though, is up 15%. Net income is up 13%. Scrolling down its balance sheet, a very small company, of course, 10.5 million in assets. That's all. 5.9 million in liabilities. Long-term debt is 295,000, so it's not got an upside down balance sheet. Scrolling on down, we'll see the profitability score is 17%, 45 solvency, so it's not going bust anytime soon. That's a reasonable score. We're giving a 543% upside on average. Worst case scenario, 536. Best case scenario, 561. Wall Street like it. As you can see, it's a strong buy. Wall Street are giving that indication. What about short interest? Well, yes, 46.89% is the short interest, so short squeeze territory. So there you go. There's a new service that we're providing. We're just trying it out today, see how effective this is. If you like this stock or want more information, leave comments below. Perhaps we'll build an army around Biodexa. Perhaps we'll cover the earnings and breaking news for you. We like to provide the services that you are looking for around new and emerging stocks that you are finding interesting. So tap the like button, leave your comments below, and now I'll give you all the links to further information around the stock. If you want to get access to Discord and you want to be in with Ed Nevius, you do need to become a YouTube member, all right? And you want scalp trading. So the links are below in the description for becoming a member of our channel and how to get to Discord. But you need to be a member first before you can access Discord. It's a members only service. Click above my head as well for my alpha spread, which is where I find all my information. My members can get a lifetime discount or a free plan. And also, I will put down below in the description the playlist for Biodexa. We will create a playlist for this. So further information, news, reviews, everything around the stock will be in that playlist. Over here, I shall put that playlist for you. And further reviews, I've done full reviews up to an hour long for nearly 200 stocks in our alpha spread review list. I'll give you that there as well. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Good afternoon, all. Good morning, everyone. Great information, Martin. Thank you. Yes, this could be, thank you very much for saying that. This could be a very, very important, very important segment in our show, I think. I think it could be really good. Very helpful to people. So there you go. Let's see how that all pans out. All right, Ed, new little service. Let's see what we think of that. Let's see how it goes. Up 82%, as you can see. GME going to 0. We said it would. I campaigned for it. FFIE going to 0. Said that as well. Campaigned for that as well. Morning, Zach. I've got all your messages on Discord, and give me time and I shall get to it. Need a lot of patience with me these days, I know. Here is, but when I come good, I'll come good. You know I will. WidePoint CEO interview tomorrow, 25 hours to go. I'm talking with this gentleman, Jen, who is the CEO of WidePoint, live on my show. You cannot miss it. Security, great company, moving now. Very excited. We're ranking for it on YouTube. Very, very excited. And that will be happening live tomorrow. Please, can you have a look at NKLA? Yes, I can. Of course I can. We've just put out a Nikola video for you, which you really can't afford to miss. We've got movement today in Nikola. So let me give you that now. NKLA. I'll look at it for you. NKLA. YouTube. Let me do that now. Nikola. Yes. There it is. Okay, Nikola. And 30, 40 minutes. NKLA 40. Okay, here we go. Robbie Cooper, if you want that mentioned, I need links for YouTube evidence. I've got to be able to show it. I'll give you 30 seconds. Have you got the links for that? I need to show that. If I'm going to say that, I've got to be able to show that. Robbie Cooper, drop that in links for YouTube right now, and I will put that in the video. So be quick. Let me have a look as well myself. Let's have a look. I don't see that on my inside buying. So I need you to share that with me. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. If you miss it, you miss it. I'm looking in links for YouTube right now. Okay, I've got it. I can use it. Okay, I've got it. Okay, so there we go. Nikola. NKLA. Martin, I have found out that when you refresh the page on the browser, it shows the people in chat like when you see the troll is there, but refresh and they aren't there. Ah. Okay. Thank you, Mike. Let me do this quickly. Okay, you ready? Breaking news here on Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA. I've got some very exciting news to share with you, but I'm only going to give it to you if you tap the like button and share this news out to more investors. It's up 8.35% this morning. I've got a bit of news to share with you, and I'm going to get straight into it as it's a very quick video. Nikola this morning, Stephen Gursky has made a significant investment in the company by purchasing $540,000 worth of common stock, according to a recent regulatory filing. The transaction, which took place on May the 20th, yesterday, involved the acquisition of 1 million shares at 54 cents each. Very, very bullish news, so I wanted to share that with you. That's great. Now, also, very important, you cannot afford to miss this. We work late in the evening, Sunday night, giving you the updated charts for the week so you could trade this stock, and all this was explained and put in this very important video. Nikola, very important. You cannot afford to miss this. We just put it out. It's on our homepage of our channel. Just go to latest videos. You'll see it. I will give you a link to it in a moment, but you cannot afford to miss it. On our alpha, we've got a mixed bag here between strong sell, buys, and sells. So we are experiencing all kinds of different perspectives on this stock, but you do need to, I do think you need to check out this stock trading chart we did for you. Full analysis here to break down the buy zones, the sell zones, where to get in, where to get out, and all the rest of it. But this is very, very good news. Thank you for bringing it to our attention this morning. Robbie Cooper, I'll just give you a very quick breakdown of where we are. We are showing undervalued by 73%, but it doesn't use DCF valuation, so it's not reliable, so don't get too excited by that. Scroll on down, you'll see on our most recent range, we are down 9% on the most recent revenue, so that's not looking good, but expecting to see things increase dramatically going forward. The balance sheet, 1.2 billion in assets with 565 in liabilities, of which long-term debt is 268, so not too bad a balance sheet, I think you'll agree. 38% solvency is what we're giving it, so it's not the greatest, but it's not likely to go bankrupt anytime soon, or at least even for the medium termers either. Profitability 22%, not great, but improving slightly, which is good news. What about Wall Street? We're giving you a 246% upside on the average, 498% upside on the best, and even the worst case scenario is a 92% upside, so that's looking good. We've just talked about inside buying. This is inside buying directors, I mean. This hasn't reflected yet in our information, as it only happened yesterday afternoon. So it's very latest information. 17% short interest. So there is some, but not excessive. 20% is excessive. These are my reviews here on Alpha Spread. They all make it here above CNBC. The rest of it, they all make it here to the Alpha Spread, which is nice. 90 days is we had 41% positive. Over the last 32 days, it dropped to 27. But now, look, it's moved up to 42% the last 7 days. And today is too early to tell. But that's good. Sentiment is going in the right direction. So on the day that we just find out that the CEO has made a major purchase of 1 million shares. It's very good news for the stock. Of course, the stock has gone up. This is good news. We've got a great chart for you to go and check out. I'm going to give you the link to that once again now. So please do make sure you get that now, and you'll see all the buy zone, sell zone supports, and all the rest of it for you, provided by our partner here on the show, Sensei Crypto. Okay, so where are all those links? Click above my head for the link to that Nikola video. You cannot afford to miss that. We sat up late at night, Sunday night, doing it for you to have it for Monday. So go and check that out. Down below in the description, you'll also find that video as well, and links to Alpha Spread and also our scalp trading service on Discord, provided for free, training for free if you are a YouTube member. And over here, I'll put the video right there, and down here, I'll put the playlist for all Nikola things. So everything to do with Nikola will be in there as it comes out in order. Videos you cannot afford to miss. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Iberian Wolf, if you can send that links for YouTube, I'll do a follow-up for Nikola. If you send that in, I will do a follow-up for Nikola. 15 minutes to go. ILO. More great news from Nikola. It's all piling in this morning. Just been alerted by one of our members, and it's only happened 1 hour ago. Tap the like button. It's a busy day for Nikola today. Click the subscribe. Let's go straight to it. Without further ado, bringing you the breaking news, literally just hot off the press a few moments ago. You cannot miss this morning. ILO Logistics announced order for 100. That's no small number. 100 hydrogen fuel cell electric trucks. This has just come out a few moments ago. This is going to be trending today on our channel. Number one. We ranked number one for Nikola. This is going to put us firmly on that spot. The 2024 announced Clean Transportation Expo marks another step in decarbonizing the trucking industry for Nikola Corporation, a global leader in zero-emission transportation and energy supply and infrastructure solutions via the HYLA brand, and ILO Logistics, a major drayage carrier operating in the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach. Today, it is announced ILO has placed an order for 100 trucks of Nikola. Massive news. Fantastic. The CEO has just bought 1 million shares. I'll give you a link for that video in a moment ago. I just announced that. And now we've got this. As part of ILO's ongoing efforts to advance sustainable logistics services, the company's drayage division is poised for expansion. This includes incorporating 100 Nikola hydrogen FCEVs into their operations to meet the growing demands of the port industry. Nikola trucks are on the road today, and the biggest test of our trucks is measured by our customers and their repeat orders, says Ryan Clayton, Global Head of Sales, Nikola Corporation. Having a prominent and mission-driven customer in ILO not only purchase trucks for 2024, but double their order for 2025 is an honor for our organization and a testament to their drive to make a difference. We are glad to support with Class 8 vehicles as well as our HYLA energy infrastructure. ILO, a newly rebranded company combining other corporations, including MDB Transportation, had previously ordered 50 Nikola FCEVs from Tom Truck Centers. Deliveries from that original order have commenced and are ongoing throughout 24. We're not just in the business of moving goods, we're in the business of moving businesses forward. through innovation, technology, and sustainable practices. We aim to redefine the logistics landscape and drive positive change in the industry, said Jack, ILO CEO. The strategic move to incorporate Nikola's FCEVs into our operations reaffirms our commitment to environmental stewardship and underscores our proactive approach toward embracing cutting-edge technologies. One of the distinctive black and colored striped ILO trucks is featured in Nikola's Ride and Drive event area at the 24 Act Expo. This is very, very good indeed. This has just happened a few moments ago. Last night, the CEO bought 1 million shares. We've just reported on that. For that information, click above my head. You cannot afford to miss that information. Go and check that out. That video will trend today on YouTube. 100%. We already ranked #1 for the stock. So this is going to solidify that information, which is great. The stock itself is up 8.63. I would expect the stock to do very, very well today. That's very, very good news. I've shared with you this sentiment, how the sentiment has improved today as well, how things are going up. And also, we made a special Nikola video you cannot afford to miss as well. This is just done Sunday night, giving you the trading positions all week. This is the Nikola chart. You cannot afford to miss this. There it is on our homepage of our channel, only out less than 1 day ago. We got it there for you right at the beginning of the week so you could trade and make money from this stock. Okay, I'm going to give you the links for this. Expect a busy day today with Nikola. Click above my head for the link to the chart, and also I'll put the other link as well to the news about the CEO and what he's done just last night. Down below in the description, I'll also post it to the top of the description, and I'll post it and pin it to the top of the comment so you can find it. Over here, I'll put the video that you need to go and see straight away, which is the Nikola chart. And down here, the playlist for Nikola. So you've got all the events in order as they come out from what's added most recently. So you've got all the latest news as it comes out. The moment I make a video, it goes into that playlist and you'll have it. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Polu, how are you this morning? Done, Martin, shared link on Discord. Hi all, yeah. Nikola had an order today. Look at all this news. Right, guys, what we're going to do then, this is big news. We've got big news happening today for Nikola. I'm going to end the show early after the opening bell and come back as soon as possible. The reason for that is I want to get these videos out as quickly as possible. I can't do that if I'm live. So this will benefit my members, I'm sure. So what we'll do is once we get into the bell, we will end the show. After a couple of minutes, I will put the videos out. I will then post a couple of other videos that are waiting to go out, and I will be back as quickly as possible. So I'm just thinking, should I end it now and then come back just after the bell, or should I, what do you think? Should I end it now and get the videos out, or wait for the bell? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait for the bell. I'm going to get 15 minutes in, then I'm going to end, and then I'm going to come back with more trading, okay? That's what we're going to do. Decision made. I know you want these videos out. They'll do very nicely on YouTube, and will rank for these stocks, so the news will get out, which is good. If you are an investor, obviously you are. That's why you've mentioned it. Anyway, if you just tuned in this morning, let's get this video to do really well. So when I come back with these videos for BDRX and Nikola, 2 Nikola videos, they're going to trend, and we're going to have a great day for Nikola. So to make that happen, let's get busy right now. You ready? Okay, here we go. There are 77 of you watching right now. 78. We're starting to grow up now. Let's go up. That's what I meant to say. 3 likes. Refresh the screen. Are you ready? We need 30 likes in 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3 has become 39. Okay, well, what can I say? What can I say? You did it straight away. I mean, what can I say? That was brilliant. There's only 780 watching. Okay, should we push for 50? I doubt we'll do it. Remember, half my audience, my Indian audience, don't sign into Google for some reason. Just the way it is. But let's try one more push. Let's see if we can get to 50. We'll get into the opening bell. I'll end the show. I will come back very quickly after I publish these videos. We want people to know what's going on this morning. A lot of Nikola investors here. It's one of our big stocks, so we want everyone to know. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Are we at 50? 48. We're nearly there. We just need 2 more and I will end this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it one more time in just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 48 now, please. 49. One more like. That's all we need. Once the bell goes, I will do the stock race, end the show, put these videos out, and I'll be back as soon as possible. We cannot afford to miss this. This is too good news. It's just too good to have it not out. All right, let's refresh the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We just want 50 and then we'll move on. 52. We smashed it. Congratulations, guys. You smashed it once again. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much indeed. I didn't mean to end the show there. That's the end screen. Anyway, stocks are going down on the S&P, the 500. That's expected because we've got NVIDIA earnings tomorrow night. So we're bound to have that happen. So here we go. Nikola, I've got more news coming in there about it. This is great. Very, 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 very good news today for Nikola. So I tell you what we're going to do. We're nearly at 25,000 now. We were only 24,000 3 days ago. We're doubling our rate of growth every month. Look at this, 24,480. We were literally 24,000 3 days ago. The rate of growth is accelerating, which is wonderful. Thank you for that. We're at 25,000 views, which is a record. 25,000 views. It's an all-time record over 48 hours. It's just unbelievable. Can't believe it, quite frankly. But there you go. Right, now let me end this, send you to the extra channel. Not until we've rung the bell, though, and done the stock race. So let me redirect you there. Whoops-a-daisy, that's not right. Let me send you to the extra channel. There we go. Okay. That's now done. Let me jump it. Oops-a-daisy. Have I got time? FFIE, yes. Upload video. Just doing this as quickly as possible before the bell goes. We're uploading another bit of information to Rumble, our Rumble audience who want that. FFIE, we just done that. Fisker. Okay, here we go. Fisker. Have I got time? Oof, that's going to be tight. Fisker. There it is. Stock race is coming up. Make sure that you're up to date on the video. You've made sure that you've clicked the live button. And then you've clicked the double speed. So you are literally up to date. Otherwise, you're always behind. Finance. FSR. Oh, what a time for the computer to go slow. You kidding me? Okay, better. I'm not going to quite get there. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire.
The bell has now gone. We are off and running to the races. Let's go through it. Let's go through all our moving stocks this morning. We'll keep an eye on Nikola. Nikola is bound to be our heavy mover today. Just bear with me 10 seconds. I'm just about to bring it up. We're checking details, coming in fast. And we're off. The overall markets is down at the moment. Let's go back to Nikola. Nikola is popped up. There it is. It's popped up today. No surprise there. Very nice indeed. Up 7.7+%. Let's go. Our GameStop is going to zero. I've been saying it's going to zero. It is going to zero. No surprise about that whatsoever. Virgin Galactic is now down today, 0.56. Palantir is down 1%. Gold is up today very slightly. The S&P is down. Pull back before Nvidia. No surprise there at all. Amazon going down today, 1%. Apple is up today. Next Era Energy is down 0.39. Enphase Energy is down today, 0.89. Coca-Cola defensive up 0.31. J&J, a $200 stock going to $200. Kenvue today is up 0.6. Chevron is down but pushing back up. Tesla having a good day but only worth 110. Rivian is going down today. McDonald's today up 0.22. Google on the way down 0.2. Microsoft is up but pulling back. Nvidia, the sell-off before the rally, not going to $1,000. It's down today 1.2. Walmart is up today 0.61. Tilray brand today is up. Very nice indeed. Robinhood is going down 0.43. IonQ down 1.8. Rocket Lab is down at the moment. Plug Power down 2.5%. Rumble is up 0.21. Funware is going down. Faraday Future going to zero. Going to zero. FFIE is going to zero. And GameStop is going to zero. 100%. I've shown you the evidence. I've shown you the proof. This time Roaring Kitty does not have it all to himself. I'm here to tell you that this stock is rubbish. You can make money on it, but right now it's on the way to zero. Rio Tinto is up 0.31. Bitcoin is down 0.09. Polygon is up 1.26. XRP is up 1.53. And back to GameStop, going to zero. Keeps going down and down and down and down. People, because of a cartoon character, bought a 7-cent stock for $70 plus. It's now worth 21. It's only worth 7 cents. It's going to zero. Nikola this morning up today. Great news. We're going to put the news out in a few moments. There you go. There is the stock race this morning. That's what's going on. Congratulations, everybody. I'm cooking dinner, says Polo. Mike is here, ready for Ring the Bell. Good luck, all. Ed Nevius. Good luck, Ed. Good luck, everybody. Make some money. Congratulations if you're making money this morning. Remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Fantastic. Right then, here we go. Now then, we've got a special announcement. Congratulations to all of you. I've got a special announcement now over on Rumble. We're going to end the show in a couple of minutes because I've got important videos to get out for Nikola, WidePoint, Nvidia, and BDRX, our top gainer, low float, heavy volume stock today. We're going to put that out in a moment. We want to make sure that gets out. Now then, I've got a brand new member, which is a member, a subscriber on Rumble is a member. So EC Dragons, you are a member, a subscriber of Rumble, which is the same as being a member on YouTube. So yesterday, I missed you. I don't know if you saw me or not, but I gave you the link for Discord. If he sets up locals like Discord, I would subscribe. If he sets up locals, Habak, I do have locals. I also have Discord, but I have the Discord server for you. Now, Habak, you don't have access to Discord at the moment because you're not a subscriber on on Rumble. EC Dragons became our latest subscriber yesterday, the same as being a member on YouTube. So EC Dragons, I sent you the link to Discord and asked you to send me a friend request. Now, I don't know who you are, so I've not been able to upgrade you yet. I do it manually, so I know it's done properly. I don't use bots and stuff like that. I do it so I can explain it to you. So EC Dragons, I've only got 30 seconds before I go again. I'm waiting to upgrade your account. So what I need you to do is, hopefully you clicked on the link yesterday and you set up Discord. I hope you sent me a friend request, but I don't know who it is. I've got no idea who you are. So what I need you to do right now, EC Dragons, is give me your username on Rumble. I'll go and find you and I will upgrade you. So I've got to go. I don't see you in the chat. Hopefully I'll catch you tomorrow. But I'm live every day, 12 hours a day. So all you got to do is, I'm ready to upgrade you, but I don't think he talks much on the Rumble channel. Yes, I do, Dragons. I'm talking to you right now. I see you in the chat, but you're not responding. So there's nothing I can do to, unfortunately, reach out to you unless you respond to me. Nothing at all. So there you go. I've given you the name in the chat. So if anyone is friends of oh, hello.
Nonny 315 has become a member.
Thank you, Nonny. He's celebrating his 6-month badge. Fantastic, Nonny. Thank you so much indeed. So if anyone's friends of EC Dragons on Rumble, let me know. I'm waiting to upgrade you. I can't do anything unless you respond. It's so frustrating, but there it is. Okay, let me go to Discord. You see, I don't, this is Discord. I don't know who you are. I've got no idea. So anyway, if someone could pass that on to EC Dragons, that would be great. Anyway, there you go. I've got to go. Nonny, what happened is when you, every now and again, you get free super chats you can put in the channel if it celebrates your membership, and that's what's happened. All right, I've got to go. Unfortunately, I couldn't get hold of EC Dragons on Rumble, sadly. There's nothing I can do about it. I wonder if I can message him. I don't think I can. Pin, delete, manage. No, I can't message. There's nothing I can do. Unfortunately, I'm talking to myself. There it is. All right, I'll keep my eye on it and hopefully we'll be able to upgrade him later. Right, I'm going to go. We've got some very big news to get out and I'll see you back in a little while. I'm going to give everyone the link to the extra channel. That's where I'll be right now putting these videos out. There it is. Okay, jump in there. Now, I'm going to put these videos out and then come back live. We've got reviews to do and all kinds of stuff. More news for Nikola on Robinhood. Yes, I'm about to put it all out. Tusha Patel, I've just got to end the stream to put it out. I was no longer a member. I had to renew it. Oh, I see. Nonny. Yes, well, it's great to have you back. If you don't set auto renew, it doesn't renew and you lose some of your history. So you'll lose some of the time. Anyway, I've got to go. Thank you ever so much indeed, and get these videos out. See you back in a few minutes time. Let me quickly roll the credits for anyone that became a member or a subscriber. Very, very important to always recognize the stars of our shows. So we do have some, what do we have? Subscribers, Angela M. and Nonny was renewing his membership. So thank you very much indeed. It must have expired by not setting the auto renew. All right, excuse me. I'm rushing here this morning. I'll see you back in a few minutes' time. Don't go away. I'll be back as early as I can once these big premieres are out. But that's it for now. Some big news on its way. You don't want to miss it. Big day for Nikola. Big day for Fisker. Big day. Yes, big day for Fisker. Big day for Nikola. Big day for FFIE and big day for GameStop. All of those stocks are going to zero. Sorry. Not all those. GameStop and FFIE. Apologise. I'll make sure I get that right. Very, very important, all right? All right, see you back in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other.